Yes, ChatGPT even today is a great public LLM. Gemini is another one from Google, and Claude. So these are the three popular ones which I see people talking about. And if you talk to a developer, the developer might say that, let's say Claude is better, right, than ChatGPT. So those comparisons and those experiences are your personal experiences. But what I would also suggest is that as you experiment with these commercial closed source sort of LLMs, which are not really costly as far as simple usage is concerned, but those of you who want to really look at the full power of LLMs, and those of you who are really concerned about your data security, really concerned that whatever is mine should stay with me, there is no compromise. You could be working in such an industry. So I talk to such organizations of people, and they are not using ChatGPT at all, because they say that if we give something to LLM, it means there's a data security breach. And I can understand those concerns. But the good news is that there are open source models also available. So those who have such concerns, don't stop from using an LLM, go for Llama 3. It's free, you can download it. And there is an interface using anything LLM. You can download that, and on your local system, which need not be a big system with GPUs, etc., you can very well run on a good configured Mac or Windows or Linux box on your local system, on your dev machine, professional machine, and you can run a local LLM and ask it questions, and you'll get a similar experience. Not the best one, but you see, there's always this give and take. You want security, then it's a good starting point. And these open source LLMs are also going to mature with time. You would see better and better versions released. As far as I'm concerned, I use both in my work because I see value in both of them.